welcome to another episode of B to Z. This is our Queenless Hive. The last time that we checked it was July 5th. Today is July 9th, Monday, 2018. And the last time that we checked it, I did not see a queen and I saw no eggs. The prior inspection to that, June 30th, I saw a newly hatched queen, and it looked like the other cells were torn down. So if you haven't seen those videos, go ahead and catch those other videos so you can see what has been going on with this particular hive. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that now. With that in mind, let's go ahead and open her up, see what we got. Got a couple of bees left in here. And a little smoke. I don't see any beetles on the swifter pad, so pretty happy that they're still controlling their small hive beetles with their dwindling population. Alright, so this time we're going to start on this side. I haven't taken this frame out in a while, so it's a little bit more stuck than the rest. I've been starting off on that side, so let's loosen things up on this side. That's just a foundation frame, it's not even drawn out. Here's an empty frame, and this next one is some old comb. Some old comb that they're not quite doing anything with. Get the smoker out of the way for a second. Doesn't blow on my face. Okay, next one. There we go. So the purpose of this inspection is to look for eggs or a queen. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for a queen. Do we have a queen? Do we have a queen? So a little bit of nectar there. I see them bringing in pollen. Just look inside the cells. Really early. More early than what I usually do these inspections. I say that because I don't quite have that sunlight that I like to have to look into the cells. I see a queen. I see some nice bright yellow pollen. So that's one full frame of bees. This is two full frames of bees. Some orange pollen, no queen, no eggs. It's just an empty drawn out frame. No queen, no eggs yet. Here's the bottom side of that frame, or the opposite side. Just a few cells of some pollen, some drones. Have to move the smoker again, they're getting a little agitated. So that was two full frames of bees. These guys should probably be in a nuke at this point, a 5-frame nuke. I'm looking for a queen. Where is my majesty? And there she is, we got a queen. Right center. Right there. Right there. Now the question is she laying? It's kind of small to me, so I stepped away to look at it, look at the frame in the sunlight. I don't see any eggs yet, but I'm happy that she's here. I didn't see her 4 days ago. Trying to find her again. There she is. She's checking out some cells. She was checking out a nectar cell. Here she is. She's right on the top bar. I'm happy I found her. I don't see any eggs yet, but she's back, so I'm happy about that. I'm going to go ahead and close this guy up after looking at the next frame, which is the last frame of bees. To see if there's any eggs on this first frame, on this side, or this last frame. Seeing eggs will really make my day. So I see some nectar. So no eggs that I can see. But progress. Progress. I like progress. The queen is back. She still doesn't look large. That probably means that she's just not laying yet. They usually get larger as they start laying. I'll give her another week. We'll check again. Put this guy back together. So if you guys haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I appreciate every subscription that I can get. Go ahead and hit that like button. Share my videos if you find them interesting, and post down below. Tell me what you think. Thanks for watching. Until next time, thanks for watching another episode